Have you clicked a magnet link and wish it would directly download to your remote Deluge server instead of your local computer? That's the problem Magnet2Deluge solves. Magnet2Deluge is a browser extension that sends magnet links and torrent links directly to your Deluge server using the web API. The benefits are faster workflow, and you can do this from anywhere, including Chrome and Firefox. Now, let's get it installed. You want to go to your Chrome browser, hit the three dots in the upper right corner, go down to extensions, then visit Chrome Web Store. Once there, you want to search for Magnet2Deluge. As you see here, you want to install it. I already have it installed. Once installed, you could pin it so it always shows up here, or you just click the puzzle piece, then go down the list and select Magnet2Deluge. Here you want to enter your server address, semicolon 8112. I believe they call this a socketed address. I forget, but you want to enter that information here. Enter your Deluge password, test connection, and if you've done everything correctly, it will say connection successful, and then you want to say it's that easy. And now if you go to a site that has a torrent or a magnet link, let's go with Kali Linux. That's why I was downloaded the other day, because I'm putting it on my laptop for school work. And we can just scroll down and you see here a torrent. Let's click on the torrent and you see here torrent sent to Deluge. And if I go to my Deluge, which is 10.1 semicolon 8112, enter, and you see here Kali Linux is right here starting to download. It would take 36 minutes, 25 minutes now, but that's it. This makes downloading torrents and magnet links easier. You can make easier use of your Deluge server instead of copying and pasting. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want more tutorials. Right now I'm working on the Unraid R stack. I finally got my computer back up running correctly. Everything's automated, it's working beautifully, and I want to share that with you. Thanks again.